In today's video, I'm going to teach you convert a number column into a date column in Power BI. If you've ever imported data where dates show up as numbers, like 2024-0131, or Power BI just didn't recognize them as dates, this quick process will clean that up in a reliable, repeatable way using Power Query. We'll make the change in a couple of simple passes, so you keep a clear history of transformations. First, open the Power Query editor by clicking Transform Data on the Home tab. This takes you into the area where all your data shaping happens before it loads into your report. You'll see your queries listed on the left and a preview of the selected table in the middle, along with an Applied Steps pane on the right that records what you do. Next, select the table that contains the column with the dates you want to convert. Click into that table so you can see the column headers. Find the column that currently shows numbers where you expect dates. Now, click the data type icon in the header of that column. It's the small indicator that usually shows something like ABC 123 or a calendar symbol. This opens the data type menu. From the drop-down, choose Text. When Power Query asks whether to replace the current step or add a new step, choose Name. Add New Step. Converting to text first helps Power Query interpret the content consistently and prevents it from locking in an incorrect numeric interpretation. Choosing. Add New Step also preserves a clean audit trail, so you can always trace what happened and revert if needed. With the column now set to text, click the data type icon again on the same column. This time, select Date from the list. When prompted, select Add New Step again. Power Query will now attempt to parse the text values into proper date values. You should see the preview update to display dates with a calendar icon on the header, confirming the type is now date. If you see any error indicators, that usually means some values don't match a recognizable date pattern, so review those entries in the preview to confirm the original format is consistent. And there you go. That's all. You've taken a number column and converted it into a true date column in Power BI, with each change captured as its own step in Power Query. This approach keeps your transformations transparent and easy to maintain, and your visuals and calculations will now treat the field as a proper date.